Sam, who gave you that toy?
Great Papa.
Great Grandpa Erickson. Can you say hi to him? Come here a second. Sam, can you come here and say thank you?
Thank you.
Do you like that toy?
That.
Is Dave driving it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Can you show us how it works?
Put it down on the floor. You gonna chase after it? Okay, got it.
Wow.
Come to get you.
Wow.
You're going to look at the fake glass today.
What?
You look at the fake glass today. Like
It's coming after you.
oh
Yeah.
Again.
This might be the most frustrating thing I've ever done.
Even more than juggling or unicycling.
I can't figure out the technique. It's stuck.
Pick it up. There you go.
Oh,
Put it back with Mama.